guys, welcome to my channel. This is Leanne here, and today I have a special guest, my daughter Cassandra.
Hello.
She is joining me for the holidays, and of course she loves crafting as much as I do. So we took the opportunity. We're doing like a craftathon. We decided to film a couple of these projects. I have chosen a very simple one. I found these wooden key rings at Michael's. They were like $1, $1.50 just for 4 of them. And show them, Cassie, what we made.
We made this.
So it has the buffalo print and some silver HTV. And so let's get started. We're gonna make us a cute keychain. So I was at Michael's and I found these wooden keychains. They're so cute. There's 4 of them in there. I think they were like in the dollar section. I'm not quite sure how much they are. They weren't very much. Here's some rectangle ones. So I haven't tried this, so I'm not even 100% sure it's going to work. I have some buffalo print HTV heat transfer vinyl. Normally you put this on shirts or apparel or something of that, but I'm going to try to heat press it onto this wooden key ring, and we're going to do front and back, and then we are gifting this to one of my daughter's high school and middle school
Lifelong
friends.
15 years.
Yes. So this is her monogram. So it's her birthday right around Christmas time. I am going to be using a pressing mat and my little bitty Cricut press. We're going to turn it on over here, but it's going to be on its side. Alright, hope this works. It's going to be super quick. It's either going to be a pass or fail. She's a teacher, so it's either a pass or fail. We did pre-punch some holes. I don't know how well we lined them up. And we're going to put, should we tape it? Nah.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Well, hold it on the side. So these little gadgets heat up really quick. And I'm just going to press it down. I hope this works. It is working. I'm just going to go around the edges a little bit. I almost want to take it off of this because I need a little bit of
pressure.
Yeah, it's, well, yeah, that's working. Trying to just go around the sides. There are no sides to circles.
There are.
Okay, let's do the other side.
It's probably something we should have figured out before.
I know. Well, like I said, I haven't tried this.
Okay.
I think once I get it going, you can probably move your fingers. Alright. Let's see if it's sticking. Yeah, it's sticking. Alright. Okay, I let it cool off a second so I could handle it. And while it was cooling off, I did find that there is a transfer sheet. Once it started cooling off, you could see it. And so you're just going to take your little weeding tool and pull it off. And let's turn it over. I wonder if we should have trimmed the first side before we did there. Alright. That is very cute. Okay, I'm gonna try the scissors first. Alright, after trying to do these crappy scissors, I took a fingernail file. This is probably 150 grit, and I'm just simply going around the sides, and it is really cleaning them up really well. And so hindsight, as we're sitting here, my daughter and I, we decided we're going to paint the sides with a paint marker black. We probably should have done this before we put the buffalo on.
Sometimes that's just how crafts go, though.
So we're going to go around and do this, and then we'll be back. Alright, we're back. And Cassandra has, I will zoom it in because it really turns out cute. And it's not going to focus. Anywho, she took a paint marker and all around the sides painted in with black paint marker. We're going to put monogram on it. So and I just pre-cut this out. Like I said, this is HTV vinyl. You can use HTV for more things than just your shirts. Pressing this down. Alright, let's see. Yay! Oh. Okay. It did bubble up just a little bit on the, probably have it too hot. Let me turn it. Alright. There it is. It's all silver and glittery. And we're going to put the ring back on it.
That's just your simple 5-minute craft.
Yes. So, thank you for joining us, and we will talk to you later.